the trunk, and the skunk. I am a mammoth. I have big, thick legs. I can stamp on things. Stamp, stomp, crush. I have long tusks. I can dig with them. And I have a long trunk. I can do lots of things with my trunk. I can pick things up. I can lift things. I can drink. I can slosh my mom and dad. Stop that. And I can smell things with my trunk. I can smell good things. Sniff, sniff, bananas. And I can smell bad things. Sniff, sniff. Ah, a skunk. This skunk stinks. I will slosh him. Help! Slosh. That will get rid of the smell. Sniff, sniff. Oh no! The skunk still smells of skunk.